Hello students, good morning. Now I am going to start your ninth class. My name is Ashok Rajput. Today I will explain number system, and first I have explained applications and theory. Now I will explain solve sums which are based on theory, and after that I will give you a class test, and if you need then you can ask assignment also. Okay, hello. Now solve sums 1. Rationalize the denominator of 1 by 3 plus root 2. As we have 1 by 3 plus root 2, now we are seeing here denominator is 3 plus root 2. So we will multiply by denominator and numerator both by 3 minus root 2 because we are going to rationalize the given number. Okay, after that we are as we have written here 1 into 3 minus root 2 by 3 plus root 2 in the bracket 3 minus root 2. Then here it is written in the form of a plus b, a minus b. Now it is a square minus b square in the denominator, as identity is a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. In the denominator, as it is written here, 3 minus root 2, and square of 3 is 9, square of root 2 is 2. Now difference of 9 and 2 is 7, and numerator is written 3 minus root 2. It is the answer because there is no any square root sign in the denominator. So it is the rationalize of the given answer. Given number answer is 3 minus root 2 by 7. Have you understood? It is very simple sum. So you can solve other sums also because here is only need to rationalize the denominator. So we will change the sign, middle sign and multiply both numerator and denominator. Now we will explain the next sum as it is here. Rationalize the denominator of 6 minus 4 root 3 by 6 plus 4 root 3. Here we are seeing here in the denominator it is 6 plus 4 root 3. Now we will change the middle sign, it is plus, so we will change and it will be 6 minus 4 root 3. We will multiply both numerator and denominator by 6 minus 4 root 3 into 6 minus 4 root 3. In the denominator we are seeing it is a plus b form, it is a minus b form, and in the numerator both are same, 6 minus 4 root 3, 6 minus 4 root 3. So we are saying here, so we will use this identity a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square in the denominator, and in the numerator because it is a minus b form, so we will use this identity a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So when we break the bracket, we will get here square of 6 is 36, then it is minus 2ab minus 2. We have written 4 root 3 into then into 6, then 6 4 is 24 root 3. Now the square of 4 root 3 is square of 4 is 16 and root 3 is 3, so 16 into 3. Here now in the next step it is 36 plus 48 48 and minus 48 root 3 minus then 36 minus 48, 84 minus 48 root 3 by minus 12. As we are seeing here, 4 we can take common from these two terms. 4 is we have taken common, so here will remain 21, here will be 12 minus root 3. Now it is possible to cancel it. 4 3 is 12. We have cancelled here. 4 1 is 4, 4 3 is 12, and divide the both terms by minus 3. 21 by minus 3 minus 12 root 3 by minus 3. If it is possible, so we will cancel it. 3 7 is 21. Here it is plus and minus, so sign will be minus. And here is plus and plus. 3 4 is 12. So we have written it is plus 4 root 3. We can arrange this way also. 4 root 3 minus root 3, it is answer, because in the denominator there is not any square root sign. So first we try to remove the square root sign in the denominator. It is this method. If we have revised, if we have removed this sign in the denominator, then it is called the rationalization. Now we are going to the next sum and explain you. It is very easy sum, and this type sums in your exam mostly comes. So you will try to practice, and such types of questions have very difficult, and now we will help you, and it will be very simple for you. There is no problem in understanding, so you will be careful and watch it very carefully, step by step and point by point. If x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, then find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. So first we take as it is given in the problem, we have x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Now if it is x, then we want to find the value of 1 by x, then it will be 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2. Now here it is in the denominator, as we have explained already. First we change the sign of middle and multiply both numerator and denominator. So we have also multiply here. It is 3 plus 2 root 2 and multiplied by 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 minus 2 root 2, both numerator and denominator. If we multiply, there is no change. Here it is in the form a plus b and a minus b. So it will be a square minus b square as identity you have used here. So it is square of 3 is 9, square of 2 root 2 is 8, 3 minus 2 root 2 by 9 minus 8. Difference of 9 and 8 is 1. So it is, we have written here the 3 minus 2 root 2 by 1, because if we divide anything by 1 there is no change. So we have written here 3 minus 2 root 2. Here we are seeing it is the value of x and it is the value of 1 by x. We want to find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. So we use this identity, x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2x into 1 by x. Here x and x we cancel, so here will remain only 2. So we will put the value of x and 1 by x is 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 1 by x is 3 minus 2 root 2. Here we are seeing it is positive value, it is negative value. Both are same, so it will be cancelled. So here will remain 3 plus 3 only 6. Okay. Now we are seeing to the right side, it is written x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Now we transpose the 2 to the left side here because it is here positive, so it will be negative. When we transpose any term, then we change the sign. So we are seeing it is square of 6, it is minus 2, it is x square plus 1 upon x square. We can write this way also, x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 36 minus 2, it is 34. So answer is 34. This such applying this method, we can find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. If in any question it is written find the value of x square minus 1 upon x square, so you can change, but it will be always positive. No, x square plus 1 upon x square here may be positive or negative. So you will change the sign and rationalize, then find the value of 1 upon x and work as it is, as we have done here. It is same, it is only based on rationalized method, how we rationalize the number. Okay, then we going to the next sum number 4. So that 1.4 bar as a fraction in simplest form. Now we have the 1.4 bar. So let x equal to 1.4 bar. Then x bar means it is repeating. So bar means it is repeating. So we can write it up to infinite. So we have written here x equal to 1.4444 up to infinite. Because here bar is at one digit, so we will multiply both sides by 10. If here maybe two digits group, then we multiply by 100. If here is group of three digits, then multiply by 1000. It means we will put the 0 as group of bar. Okay, then we multiply here by 10 both sides. Here 10x equation 1 in the here 10x equal to 1.444. You can say but here is also 4 times 3 times, here also 4 3 times. So we can write up to infinite. So we have written here because we are free, so we can write it many times. So we have written here as required because we want to put here the digits in equal number of. Okay, after subtraction, then subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, then 10x equal to 14.444 and x equal to 1.444. So we can write here dot dot also, and after subtracting we are saying here after decimal digits are so same. 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4, here it will be 0. Then 14 minus 1, it will be 13. And 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Here we are saying 9x equal to 13. Therefore, x equal to 13 by 9. Because we want to find the value of x or given number in the fraction. So we have found it here the 1.4 bar, we, we can write it 13 by 9. So answer is 13 by 9. Here we are saying numerator is greater than denominator. So first we divide. We have divided here also. 9 1 ja 9. So it is 1 and 9 and 4 13. So 4 is numerator and 4 by 9. So we can write its answer is 1 and 4 by 9. So we have written here also. Now we are going to explain the next question, and it is also very easy. Have you understood? What if you have problem you can ask in the next video. Now we will explain the next sum. It is solve sum 5. As present rational number 2.0568 in the form of P by Q. It is like same sum, but here we are saying bar is at 2 digit. So first we let it x equal to 2.056868 up to infinite, because group of digits is 2, so we will multiply by 100. We have multiplied also by 100, therefore it will be equation number 1, 100x equal to 205.6868 up to infinite. Again we have multiplied by it by 100, because we want to make the digits in the after decimal equal. Only my problem is this. So we have multiplied it again by 100. So here are 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 10,000. X equal to 20,568.6868 up to infinite. After decimal we are saying digits are same. So subtracting equation 2 from subtract from equation third. So we will write the third equation first. So as we have written here also, third equation with 10,000 x equal to 20,568.6868 up to infinite. 100 x equal to 205.6868 up to infinite. After subtracting, we are getting here 10,000 minus 100, it will be 9,900 x, and here we are seeing after decimal digits are same, so we have here 0 only, then 8 minus 5 3, 6 minus 0 6, 5 minus 2 3, and 0, then nothing, here there will be 0, 2, then we are going to not subtracting anything, so it will also it will be 20. Now it will be 20,363. Now we want to find the value of x only, not this. So x equal to, we will divide it by 9,900 as it is written here. 20,363 by 9,900. It is the value of the given number in the P by Q form. Here we are saying it is the value of P, it is Q. Q is not the 0, so it is rational number also. So this way we can represent the value of the given number in the P by Q form, and such types of questions other may be, here bar may be changed also, here bar may be at 3 places also, 4 places also. So you can solve this way. If you have any problem, then you will ask again. In the next, I am going to solve solve the next question, which is which is difficult sum than the first. The rationalize 3 by root 3 plus root 5 minus root 3. But it is We are saying it is so difficult, but it is same working. First we make the group of digits in the A and B form. Okay, we have here 3 by root 3 plus root 5 minus root 2. So first group is we have make here as A equal to 3 plus root 5 and b equal to root 2. Then it is a plus b, a minus b form we have written here. So multiply the numerator and denominator both. We have changed the sign of root 2. Here is negative. So we have multiplied it by positive sign. We are saying here root 3 plus root 5 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 5 plus root 2. Now it is in the form of a minus b and a plus b. So we will use this identity a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square, and we will multiply it by 3 as simple method. As we break the bracket and write here its value. So it is a square minus b square as we have explained here. Then here we are seeing 3 bracket root 3 plus root 5 plus root 2 by it is square of this one a square. So a square means it is a plus b square. A square means a plus b whole square. The square of 3 is 3. The square of 5 is 5. Root 5 is 5. Then it is 2ab. Okay, root 3 into root 5 equal to under root 15, and it is from the identity here, and square of root 2 is 2. Square of root 2 is 2. Then here we are finding 3 into in the bracket root 3 plus root 5 plus root 2 by 6 plus 2 root 5. Then we can take common here in the denominator 2. So we have taken here common 3 by 2 in the bracket 3 root 3 plus root 5 plus root 2 by 3 plus under root 5. Now we are seeing here it is again here in it is not rationalized. We have done first step, but it is not up to here rationalized. So again we will repeat this working. So we will multiply both numerator and denominator 3 minus under root 5. As we have multiplied here in the denominator it is written in the bracket. It is multiplied by 3 minus under root 5, and in the denominator 3 minus under root 5. Now we are saying here it is a plus b, it is a minus b. So again we will use this identity a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. And in the numerator we will multiply, and as we break the bracket, first we multiply all these three terms by 3 as we have written. It is 3 under root 3, 3 under root 5, 3 under root 2. Here we are saying it is minus under root 5. So we will multiply all these three terms by minus under root 15 and change the sign also. After multiplying, we as we have get here 3 minus 3 under root 5 minus 5 under root 3 minus under root 30. So after that, if it is possible to cancel any term, so we will cancel it. If it is not possible, so we will simplify. As we are seeing here, it is plus 3 root 5, it is minus 3 root 5, so it will be cancelled. After that, other terms we will write here. Here we are seeing it is difference of 9 and minus 15 is minus 6. So we have written in the denominator, and here we have written it is seeing the difference of 5 root 3 and 3 root 2. 3 root 3 is minus 2 root 3, and it is the remaining term 3 under root 2 and it is minus under root 3. So we have written in the sequence as minus 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 minus under root 30, and in the denominator we can cancel here 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, and here if it is here 2 then 2 2 ja 4. So we have written here minus 4. Here we are saying it in the denominator there is not any square root sign, so it is rationalized, but we can simplify also, because here we as we have taken minus and here is minus, then minus minus plus, so we have changed the sign and written here it is 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2 plus under root 3 by 4. It is the rationalized form and it is answer also. And such way, if there are more than two terms, then don't feel it is difficult. So you can make the group and multiply after changing the sign numerator and denominator, because working is same as you have done first, but terms are more than two. So it work if working is same, so we will work, and we know multiplication also, so we will multiply, and we know this identity also, so we will use this identity and multiply it as you have done in lower classes also. So it will be very simple for you. Now we are going to the next sum, and have you understood? If it is feeling any in your mind how we work, so we will practice such types of sums, try to solve it, and you can ask me in the next video, in other videos when we take the online classes sometimes, so you will ask. Okay, now we are going to solve the next question. So see here, see here. uh, Now rationalize the 1 by 2 root 3 minus under root 2. As we have here 1 by 2 root 3 minus root 2. We are seeing here are only two terms. It is so simple. So we will change the sign and negative term in the denominator as it is written here minus root 2. So we can write it plus root 2 and multiply both numerator and denominator. So we have written also as you are seeing 1 into in the bracket 2 plus under root 3 plus under root 2. Here it is necessary to use the bracket. Here may be other terms also, because here is only one term. So you can use or not. But if there are more than one term here, so we will always use the bracket. So here we have used also as you are seeing, and in the denominator you are seeing it is in the a plus b form or a minus b. So identity is written here a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So we have done also, first we multiplied it by 1, so it remains as it is. Here square of 2 root 3 is 12, square of root 2 is 2, then difference of 12 and 2 is 10. In the numerator you are saying it is same. So it is rationalized because there is not any square root sign in the denominator. So it is our answer. It is the method of rationalizing the denominator, as we can say, or change into p by q form. or rationalized method is the same, but question may be different. Rationalize the denominator of 1 by 8 plus 5 root 2. It is also working in this also same because here is positive. So we will change the sign and multiply both numerator and denominator. 1 by 8 plus 5 root 2 into 8 minus 5 root 2 by 8 minus 5 root 2. And we are saying it is a plus b, it is a minus b, so we can use this identity. It is very helpful and very simple also, because here we will square only first term and put the minus sign and square of the next term. As we have multiplied by 1, so we retain same, then square of 8 is 64, square of 5 root 2 is 2 is 50. Then we find the difference of 64 and 50. Then 8 minus 5 root 2 by, we are getting here 14. So it is in the rationalized form or in the PYQ form, and it is answer of this question, x minus 5 root 2 by 14. So you have solved many such types of sums, so it will be simple for you. The again the other method, express 2 by 11 in decimal form. We convert into decimal form. In the lower class also you have done 5 by 2 or 2 by 5, such types of sums you have divided and converted into decimal. The method is same here. Express 2 by 11 in decimal form. So it is numerator 2 and denominator 11. So we will divide 2 by 11. So we are working here as we have written here. The divisor is 11 and dividend is 2. First we put the 0 because 2 is not divisible by 11, and put here 0. Then remove the decimal. First we take the decimal here, then it will be 20. Then 11 banja 11. Then 20 minus 11 here will remain 9. We can take another 0 in the decimal. It is, then it will be 90. So 11 8 the 88. When we subtract it, then find 2 and we can take a 0 and it will be 20 also. So 11 1 the 11, then find the difference. Here will be, the difference is 9 and we can put in 1 0. So again we will divide it 8 times. The 11 8 the 88 and the remainder is 2. So we are seeing it is continue, 9 2 9 2. So it is continue up to infinite. So we can write 2 by 11 equal to 0.181818 up to infinite. So repeating term is 1 8. We are seeing, we can write it also sometime 2 by 11 equal to 0.18 bar. Bar is not written here. If he is saying write this way, so we can write because it is repeating and non-terminating also, because it is not ending up to here. So it is the answer, 2 by 11 equal to 0.1818 up to infinite. So I have explained this one, I have understood. So we are going to the next sum and explain it also. Here, find the value of a and b if 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus root 2 equal to a plus b root 2. We are seeing here both sides are equal. It is given in the question. But my problem is this. It is given and we want to find the value of a and b. So first what we will do? First we rationalize our problem and then compare to the a plus b root 2. Now we are going to solve it as we have only 3 plus under root 2, 3 minus under root 2, then multiply both numerator and denominator by 3 plus under root 2 after changing the sign. So we will use here bracket also. It is sometimes it is mistake typing. Then it is written then 3 plus under root 2, 3 plus under root 2, then it is the same value. So we have written here 3 plus under root 2 square. It is a minus b and a plus b. So a square minus b square as identity is a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So we have used here square of 3 is 9, square of under root 2 is 2. And now if we break this one, then a square plus b square plus 2ab as it is 2a into b. It is written here. Then square of 3 is 9, square of root 2 is 2. Then if we multiply 2, 3 just 6, 6 root 2, and difference of 9 and 2 is 7. As we are seeing 9 and 2 is 11 and it is 6 root 2. So we have written here in the denominator we are seeing it is rationalized form. So we will compare as it is given in the question equal to a plus b root 2. So 11 by 7 plus 6 by 7 root 2 equal to a plus b root 2. If we comparing both sides, then we are getting here at the place of a, it is 11 by 7. At the place of b, it is 6 by 7. So these are the values of a and b. Then what is necessary to do in this question? It means it is only rationalize the denominator and compare to the right side. Only it is. And we know already rationalizing the method and it is very simple. So these types of sums are coming in exam also or we are getting in the test also. So it is very important question. So we will solve it and practice it such types of questions and now we are going to give you a class test. It is very important because we have explained the such type of sums. So it is very important. We want to know have you understood something or not. So very honestly we will solve the class test. First you will complete these questions or solve all the questions. Then you will leave the class, but without completing you can't leave the class. Okay, then class test is here. Pause the video here and solve the class test. Here are only 6 questions. So it is these are very simple, but as we have explained like in the theory and in the solve sums, so you can take help and complete this one just now. Is zero a rational number? Justify. In the example we have written 0 is a rational number, but there is need to justify it. So we will justify it and represent the following rational numbers on number line. So as we have explained in the theory, find the rational number between these are rational number. Only one rational number you will find between this and this. Here 5 rational numbers as we have worked out in the theory also. So which numbers are terminating and which are non-terminating. I have explained many questions such as so you will factorize the denominator and convert into simplest form and then check the factors of denominator and solve it. And it is as you have practiced. If here it is written 0.38 bar and here it is 1.27 bar. So you will change into P by Q form and add it. This way you can find this answer. So you will first to complete this class test for justifying have you understood or not. And answer key is available. So answer key you can see, but after solving the complete class test, after solving the complete, not in the middle. First you see the key and solve it is not fair. It is not good for you. So you will use but afterward. After completing the class test, assignment is available. And if you ask if you need, so you will find I will give you to the assignment also. If you request assignment in available uh, assignments available on request, send the email at Ashok Rajput 6420 at the rate of gmail.com. Such way you have given so precious time, you have think it, you have seen the video and try to understood. So thanks to all of you and wait for the next video such types of then it is completed.